Cynthia, and I'm picking my car up from Mike at Excellency Auto Beauty. And I had mold in my car. The car smelled awful.
Oh yeah, that's way expected now. This is no doubt the level of mold that you do not want to be breathing. So this is day 2 of the Highlander. We just ripped out the carpet, seats and everything. We're about to disinfect the floorboard and clean the carpet up and the seats and everything. And get rid of that musty smell.
Wet damage in the front seat and on the floor, and he's done an incredible job. Cleaned out the whole interior and the mold, and the car smells fresh and clean, and I'm so happy, and I would highly recommend Mike. Excellency Auto Beauty.
Excellency Auto Beauty.